a colorful animation of a sunny day in the park with birds chirping and children playing. Welcome to Adventure Time with Alex and friends. Alex, a young boy with a vivid imagination, is bouncing along a path in the park. Meet Alex, our brave explorer. Alex meets his friends Sarah and Tom at the playground. And here come Sarah and Tom, ready for a day of fun. The three friends are gathered around a picnic blanket with a treasure map spread out. But wait, what is this? A mysterious treasure map. Wow, look what I found. Let's go treasure hunting. That sounds interesting. Where do we start? Tom, let's follow the map and see where it takes us. Kids embark on an adventure through different locations in the park, getting clues from the map. Through forests and fields, bridges and streams, our brave adventurers follow the trail. Children face obstacles along the way, such as a rope bridge and a maze. But be careful. There are challenges to face and obstacles to overcome. After overcoming challenges, the children finally reach the treasure hidden under the tree. At last, they have reached their destination. But what treasures lie within? Children open the treasure chest to find it filled with colorful balloons, toys, and objects. It's a treasure trove of fun surprises. Alex, that's amazing. I'm so glad we went on this adventure together. Sarah, me too. I had so much fun. Tom, yeah, let's do this again sometime. The three friends laugh and play together in the park as the sun sets. And so, our adventure is over, but the memories will last a lifetime. Join us next time for more fun and excitement at Adventure Time with Alex and Friends. Subscribe for more fun adventures with Alex and Friends.